Greetings YouTube, welcome back to another episode of Kitchen Talk. Today we're going to talk about some good old vinegar. We're going to use this stuff to clean, but today our main topic is how to keep your dishwasher clean to maximize its ability to clean your dishes, because you want clean dishes. So we're going to talk about how to use this in your dishwasher to help keep it clean. One of the things that I do want to talk about is Cascade and Finish. I like both of these products. I use both of these products. Usually I buy whatever's on sale, and they both do a good job, but you want to make sure that you're keeping your dishwasher clean so these guys can do what they're supposed to do. You can also use vinegar to clean your kitchen sinks, your drains. Use this and some baking soda and it'll help clean out your drains, coffee pots, tea kettles, pots and pans, and it can also shine up your pots and pans. You can use this in your microwave, and then also to clean to clean your glass around your house. It works great. And if you want to boost your vinegar cleaner, help it smell a little better, you can take, before you juice your lemons, oranges, limes, you can take and peel that skin off, put it in your vinegar, and leave it for about 2 days and then strain it out. But some of the things you don't want to do with vinegar is you don't want to mix it with bleach or hydrogen peroxide, because it can produce toxic fumes. Also, you don't want to clean stone, wood, aluminum, copper. You don't want to clean your cast iron skillets with vinegar. Stainless steel can be tricky. It comes in different grades. Also, you don't want to clean rubber and then like your display and touch screens with vinegar. So let's get started and showing you guys how to break down your dishwasher to make sure your filters are clean, and then how much of the vinegar we use whenever we're cleaning out our dishwasher. So first thing, you want an empty dishwasher. And then also you have 2 filters in here that you want to keep clean. Now I have not cleaned mine in a couple months, so for these purposes to show you guys how dirty these get. So inside there's a bunch of grime and just nastiness that you want to make sure you're getting clean. So I would say take this out probably at least once a month, rinse it off real good and get it good and clean. And then also you may have another filter and you just want to make sure if there's like any big pieces that it's getting. So we've rinsed these off, and I got this one stuck. I rinsed this off just a little bit, and you can tell there's still a little bit of stuff in there that gets stuck on there that you want to make sure that you get off. Like I said, you can do this once a month. And then also to make sure that you have all of your little holes that spray out your water, that they're all clean when you're doing this. And you could also take this and actually sit it in vinegar. We're going to add, you can do a half a cup if you want to, but we're going to add a cup of vinegar and let this wash. And you can do this with your dish machine running and actually washing dishes, and also with your whatever dishwashing detergent you use. So, and this will just help your dishwasher stay clean and do what it's supposed to do. So you're not getting cruddy looking dishes or things not getting clean real good. It helps clean these little holes out. Vinegar just works very well. You can get cooking vinegar or you can get cleaning vinegar. Cooking vinegar is about 5% acidity and the cleaning is 6%. You don't want to cook with that. We hope you've enjoyed this video, this short video on making sure your maintenance on your dishwasher to make sure your dishes are coming out clean. Hopefully this information was helpful. We'll also leave some information in the description below on some other things you can use and clean with vinegar and what you can't clean with vinegar. So like I said, we hope you've enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful. Make sure you do the 4 S's. Smash that like button. Share with all your family and friends. Subscribe. And set your notifications. And leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. We appreciate those comments, good or bad. We would love to hear your comments and anything you have to say. We appreciate them so much. Thanks so much. God bless. Have a great day.